Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on how to make names in proper case in SQL Server. Yes, we can make your names in proper case using string functions called left, len, upper, lower and substring. We can use these string functions to make the name column in proper case. Okay, so first I will show my table. This is my table. There are three names in the table. Okay, these are the names. So this is the data in the existing table. So I want to make these names as proper case in this way. Okay, every name should contain one space. Okay, if you want to make proper case, first letter for each part should be in caps. So Raj Kumar, R should be in cap. David, D should be in cap, and Sara, S should be in cap. Okay, so here you can see from the first part, from second letter onwards in the first part of the name should be in smaller case. You can see AJ in smaller, and these are the smaller, and Sara, these three letters are small. So this is first, and second one, I want to get the first letter from the second part of the name. Okay, that is also should be in cap. So actually in the data you can see all first letter of the second part should be in smaller case. You want to make it as a uppercase. C K M J. As usual, from the second letter onwards in the second part, you can make it as a lower form. So this is the logic. On this logic, we can apply these string functions. First, I am selecting name, comma. I want to extract first letter from the name column. So how can I extract using left function? Okay, from this table name, using left function from this table name. Now you can see this is name, this is first letter. But here, while making proper, you need to make it this first letter as an uppercase. For that, you can use, so it will change the first letter into upper format. Now you can see RDS. Okay, this is first step. Now I want to get the second letter. From the second letter onwards, in the first part, everything is a lowercase. So for that, I am using substring function. What substring will do? Substring will take extract part of the string. It will take three arguments. First one is name. Second one is starting position. I am taking 2. Okay. So here length here I am taking Charindex. I am using Charindex function. So here I am searching for the space in the name column because every name should have one space. Every name should have one space. Okay. If I execute this one, you can see here Raj, David, everything is as usual as per the original names. I want to make it as a lower format. So for that I am using lower format. From second letter onwards in the first part of the name in lowercase. First letter in uppercase and second letter in the lowercase. Okay. Now, so I am using +1 here, plus giving the space and plus again. Now I want to write a logic on the this one, second part of the name. Okay, for that also I am taking substring function. Okay, which takes name as first argument. Next, so here I am searching for the first letter. I am searching at the first letter in the second part. First letter in the second part. Okay, using Charindex. So I am taking Charindex space in the name column, and here I am searching +1. Okay, yeah. If I execute this one, you will get first letter in the second part. Okay, so first letter you can see in second part first letter will come. Now I want to make this as a upper format. Upper of this whole name. I want to change this whole name in upper format. You can see, so first letter in the second part also in uppercase, like this. See here, K M J. From the second letter onwards, again as usual, we can make it as a lower format. For that, I am adding plus one more time. Okay. So here I am writing substring. Substring of name. Okay. So starting position here I am taking Charindex. So Charindex, it is searching for the space in name. So here I am taking +1. Okay. So here I am taking +1. I am taking +2 till end of the name. We will take length. Now you can see from second letter onwards every name should come, but we want to make it from lower format. Make it as a lower. Okay. So here this is name, this is a proper case name. Okay. So just you can use using substring functions and left with Charindex. So in the uppercase, I am taking the first letter from the name column using left function. That first letter should be in uppercase. I will take upper of this one. So plus I am adding. So from second letter onwards, I want to make it as a lower. See, in RAJ, R should be in upper and AJ should be in small. So for that, for finding the second letter, we can use substring function. Name from starting from second letter onwards till space -1. Okay, you will get second letter onwards in the first part. You will get till space. Okay, so you want to make it as a lower because we want in lower format AJ like this, and I am adding plus. I am including space here, and next one I am using upper function. So substring so here this substring function is used to search for the first letter in the second part of the name using +1. Okay, this substring function I am using, name is the first argument and I am searching for the space first letter after space. For that first you can find out the space +1. So you will get KMJ. Okay, so you want to make it as a uppercase. So all these should in uppercase, and in the from second part second letter onwards everything is in lower case. For that I am using substring function. So here the logic is I want to find out the second letter. How to find out? I want to find out the special letter after space. After space, this is the space. See, you can see this is the space. So I want to find out second letter. That means K is the first letter, U is the second letter in the Raj Kumar. Okay, at the same time, M is the first letter, A is the second letter, J is the first letter, O is the second letter. So here I am searching for the space to find out second letter. I am using just +1 and till end of the name I want to make it as a lower format. Okay, so that you will get proper names. So the basic thing is you need to understand the functioning of left and substring Charindex so that you can get very clear about the logic. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.